Check this out. This is my ping before. It was almost 50 milliseconds, and after a few simple tweaks just went to 6 milliseconds, as you can see. You want the same boost? Stick with me. I show you exactly how to do it step by step. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce ping, boost your network speed, and even unlock pro level registry tweaks to get the smoothest experience possible. Let's dive in. Hello gamers, thank you for coming to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and let's get straight into the video and understand first what is the ping. Ping is the time it takes for your device to send data to a server and get response, measured in milliseconds. Low ping, 10 to 50 milliseconds, that means smooth gameplay. High ping, like 150 milliseconds plus, delayed actions, rubber banding, even disconnections sometimes. How high ping affects your game? Here is what high ping looks like in the action. First, input lag. You shoot, but the server registers it late. Rubber banding. Your character jumps back to a previous position. Desync. What you see isn't real. Enemies are elsewhere. Freezes. Sometimes you get disconnected. How to check your ping? You can usually check ping inside your games, and you can test your internet using Speedtest or any application. If you can't find it, use third-party tools like Ping Plotter or Windows Resource Monitor. So here are some tips to lower your ping. Tip number 1, use a wired connection. I recommend you guys to use wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi can fluctuate. Ethernet gives a stable direct connection. Tip number 2, choose game servers closer to you. Pick servers in your region to reduce travel time for data. Tip number 3, close background apps, especially apps that are demanding internet, that are taking the speed from your internet. Streaming, downloads, or even updates in the background eat up bandwidth. Tip number 4, update or upgrade your internet plan. Sometimes your plan just isn't fast enough for online gaming. Tip number 5, restart your router. Clears cache and resets your network routing. Tip number 6, limit other devices on the network. More devices means more traffic equals higher ping. Tip number 7, use a gaming VPN like Surfshark. If your ISP routes traffic poorly, using a VPN like Surfshark can actually lower your ping by finding a faster path to the game server. Just choose the closest region to your game. A VPN can reroute traffic more efficiently, especially if your ISP is throttling your game. Tip number 8, update drivers and software. Make sure your network drivers and game software are fully updated. Now we are going to move into the registry tweaks, and before applying these tweaks, always create a backup of your registry and a restore point, as I do recommend always. These are advanced settings, safe if used correctly, but misusing the registry can cause system issues, and we don't want that. Alright, what are these tweaks for? These registry values are all about optimizing how Windows handles network traffic, buffering, memory, alignment, fast copy methods, etc. Perfect for gamers looking for or looking to squeeze every millisecond of performance. So the download pack will be in description below. The link will be in description below. Make sure you do these steps correctly, guys. And as I said, create a restore point and make sure you have a registry backup. Alright, as you can see, guys, every file have a document text. You can read by yourself what it does and how it works, so you don't mess around with these tweaks. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you apply these tweaks and these tips that I told you, and enjoy the best ping in games. And let me know in the comment if your ping has been lowered. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this helped lower your ping, do me a favor, drop a like, subscribe for more gaming tips, and let me know in the comments what your ping was before and after. I read everyone. More easy tweaks coming soon. Don't miss out, and see you in the next time. Bye.